Fail.
The data tones you've just heard are you...
Again?
The data tones you've just heard are used in the emergency alert system. This concludes testing under the EAS. This station serves the Des Moines operational area.
Welcome to the Prey News Podcast, where hope is our only bias.
Okay, they failed. Interesting. What? What is that?
Is 3 for moderate. The current time is 12:06.
That's unbelievable. Marcus Peters comes up with the fumble recovery.
Yo!
Until the next good weather day. The NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. The Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This concludes the test. The texts are down. Report on 162.4 megahertz. A 20 chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs 100, 105. Heat index value up to 100 in the afternoon. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows are 80. Wednesday, sunny, on highs 105. 110. Heat index values up to 100. Heat index values up to 110 in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows around 80. Thursday, sunny, hot with highs around 105. Heat index values up to 115 in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 80. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. This afternoon, hot temperature. A critical fire threat exists near Interstate 352 hot, dry.
Has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 612, active until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Arkansas: Hempstead, Howard, Little River, Nevada, Pike and Sevier, and McCurtain, Oklahoma. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
You failed. You failed.
Including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 612 has been issued until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Hempstead, Howard, Little River, Nevada, Pike and Sevier, and McCurtain.
Nice. This is crazy.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pike County in southwestern Arkansas. East Central County in western Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm.
This is what DXing does.
Area at 1 a.m. In Shreveport, clear.
That's Monroe.
El Dorado.
Oh, whatever.
Miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
I'm surprised it's even active. You still failed.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Little Missouri Falls Recreation, Bayview State Park, Crater of Diamond State Park, Narrows Dam, Shady, Hartley, Bard Springs Recreation Area, Caney Creek Wilderness, Albert Pike Recreation Area, Delight, Big Fort.
Y'all failed.
For your protection to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Pike, Arkansas.
Oh, that must be Shreveport.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McCurtain County in southeastern
Okay, maybe they relate this one. Ah, there they go.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:36 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Mountain Forge, or 15 miles west of Mena, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plunkettville and Watson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: McCurtain, Oklahoma. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Sigler County in southwestern Arkansas, northern Howard County in southwestern Arkansas, until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Muirhead Field to near Shady to near Caney Creek Wilderness to Little Missouri Falls Recreation Area, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Berks, Umpire, Athens, Muddy Fort, and Berg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds.
This is the most ridiculous setup. Look at this.
Indoors immediately.
Oh my goodness. This is just insane.
Struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe
Oh, well, I didn't know
AM
this one.
Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Howard and Sevier.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, East Central Pike County in southwestern Arkansas until 3:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:21 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Hathaway or 16 miles northeast of Murfreesboro, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of
Chances include Arkadelphia, Garrison, Amity, Gum Springs in Clark County, Ridgewood, Halfway, Edgewood, Alpine, Curtis, Shawnee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued at 3:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Pike, Arkansas. Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Pike County in southwestern Arkansas,
Alright.
southwestern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, Central Polk County in western Arkansas, until 5:20
Y'all failed
a.m.
twice? How do y'all even do that?
At 2:21 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain has fallen over the Warren area in the last hour.
Little Rock has issued a
Additional
flash
rainfall
flood warning
around the Warren County in southwestern area in the next 2 hours.
Western
With
Montgomery
additional
County in western Arkansas, Central Polk County in western Arkansas, until 5:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Flash
At
flooding caused by
2:21
thunderstorms.
Daylight Time, Dr. Radar indicates thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain has fallen over the Warren within the last hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are projected in the Warren area in the next few hours, with additional thunderstorms moving into the region.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar.
Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mina, Hatfield, Caney Creek Wilderness, Barn Springs Recreation Area, Shady, Little Missouri Falls Recreation Area, Mina Intermountain Airport, Albert Hike Recreation Area, Polk County Fairgrounds, Mountain Ford, Big Fort, Fort Camp, Roaring Branch Natural Area, Nutley, Inc., Dallas, Langley, Fanchville, and Shady Grove. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of
Don't you dare. No! Okay. figured the next alert would be a flash flood warning. This is
Additional rainfall amounts of
Arkadelphia.
are possible.
2.5 inches of rain have fallen within the last hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warmed area over the next few hours as well.
Alan Raptor.
Ongoing work expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by a thunderstorm. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and intercounties, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
1 to 2 inches are possible.
Oklahoma, Daisy, Halfway, Glen Springs in Clark County, Antoine, Alpine, Shamus, Hollywood, Pike City, Roxborough, Kirby, and Bear Creek public use area. Turn around, don't drown or encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in areas,
highways,
be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your
That will
surroundings.
experience flash flooding include
Arkadelphia, Amity, Oklahoma, Daisy, Halfway, Gum Springs in Clark County, Antoine, Alpine, Shamus, Hollywood, Pike City, Roxborough, Kirby, and Bear Creek public use area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating.
a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Pike, Arkansas. Fell yesterday, which the following message is transmitted at the request of the Sabine Parish Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness. This is a fire warning for the Pirates Cove community of South Toledo Bend due to a wildfire. Residents of the Pirates Cove community of South Toledo Bend are under a mandatory evacuation order. This includes residents west of Highway 191 along Captain Kidd Drive, Jolly Rogers Drive, and Billy Bones Drive. Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Marion County in northeastern Texas, eastern Harrison County in northeastern Texas, northeastern Panola County in northeastern Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Karnak, or 17 miles northeast of Marshall, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shreveport, Greenwood, Blanchard, Wascom, Oil City, Mooringsport, DeBerry, Karnak, Ellison Fields, Gray, Scottsville, Uncertain, Caddo Lake, Spring Ridge, Cross Lake, Lee, Jonesville, Keyville, and Bethany. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Caddo, Louisiana, and the following counties in Texas: Harrison, Marion, and Panola.
Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles east of Stonewall, or 14 miles south of Bossier City, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind. It's 13 miles east of Stonewall, or 14 miles south of...
Try them out to
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Well.
Locations in
Cumulus Media is quiet.
Edgefield, Frierson, Caspiana, Grandiano, Yellowstone. Locations impacted include and Edgefield, Caspiana, thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes. Northeastern and northwestern Louisiana, Red River Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern California. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Grant County and central Arkansas, northeastern Saline County and central Arkansas, central Pulaski County and central Arkansas. Hail at 3:45 expected at 3:08 p.m. when a severe thunderstorm was located over Shenandoah Valley or over West Little Rock, including southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gust quarter-size hail. Southwest Little Rock. Source, Shannon Hills, Wrightsville, Argenta, Otter Creek, Ironton, Shenandoah Valley, East End, Sweet Home, Geyser Springs, Mapleville, State Fairgrounds, Scott, Burns Park. Creek, Ironton, Shenandoah Valley, East End, Sweet Home, Geyser Springs, Mapleville, State Fairgrounds, Scott, Burns Park.
What in the world? What is going on here?
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Minnesota Parish and northwestern Louisiana, southwestern Caddo Parish.
Sorry about the WXJ97 stream.
Southeastern Harrison County and northeastern Texas, northeastern Sonoma County and northeastern Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 6:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Denver, 15 miles northeast of Compton, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour.
What in the world, man? That came out of nowhere.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
One moment.
For your protection, looking at the room on the lowest floor of a building at 6:06 p.m. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following Carthage, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. And the following hazard, 10 miles Harrison and Vanilla. Until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes. Interior room on the lowest floor of a building
signal's horrible.
Until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Caddo and DeSoto, and the following counties in Texas, Harrison and Sonoma. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. And quarter sign.
Again?
Until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located.
You failed.
Your money or that back. Maybe just stop for you. I get to get
says may help.
paid for by the
Daylight Time. 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What?
Repeating, a severe indicated impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, Kennesaw, Gary City, Woods, and Paxton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Panola, and Shelby. Anyone?
Yo, what? Yo, what? Excuse me?
the diet to what there is to eat in the wild. For worker by force magazine now to get up. Dogs.
5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles east of Greenville, 18 miles west of Jonesboro, moving south at 30 miles.
Yo!
Hazard at 60 miles per hour in the quarters south. Source: impact, hail damage to vehicles is reported. Expect
Are they
wind
actually
damage
doing
to
it?
Daylight time. At 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm.
Just keeps getting worse and worse, huh? Trustworthy. And guess what? You get to care. That came out of nowhere.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Following parishes in Louisiana, Greenville, Natchez, Bell River, and Lynn.
Get $200 in.
Oh, wow. Southeast Webster.
Southeastern Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, west central
Air one.
in northwestern Louisiana, Bienville Terrace in northwestern Louisiana until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Heflin, or 13 miles southeast of Minden, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana. 5:13. Ready gain control of the severe thunderstorm was located near Heflin, 4 minus, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.
Let's get to the top.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to the Ashland, Castor, Bienville, Quitman, Jamestown, Bryce Island. For your protection, Northwestern Parish until 5:30 Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Jackson, Natchez, and Webster.
Wait, for that too? We lost internet too.
Louisiana, in northwest 45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northwest of Coshetta, or 16 miles.
I need to charge my phone.
south at 25 miles.
Oh, look at that. Really?
50 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size.
Oh, congratulations.
Source, public. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
102.
Locations impacted include Coshetta, Pleasant Hill, Edgefield,
Oh, wait.
Lake Henry, Evelyn, Grandville, 10 miles northwest of Coshetta, or 16 miles northeast.
Nope.
Put it in the New Testament.
Right, notes based off the word. Repeating, a severe 45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes. Listening to weather radio.
Dude, why do you keep doing that?
Has been issued until 6:45. Red River and Sabine. National Weather Service Control Board has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for in northeastern Texas, southwestern Cass County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Harrison County in northeastern Texas, northeastern Upshur County in northeastern Texas, Morris County in northeastern Texas, southeastern County in northeastern Texas, eastern Kent County in northeastern Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cookville, or 9 miles east of Mount Pleasant. p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cookville, or 9 miles east of Mount Pleasant, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar side hail. Source, law enforcement. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
Louisiana's #1 radio station. Did they know my name? KRVV.
Wrong station.
Diana, Castle, Phil, Jacobs, Natchez Ranch, Cedar Springs, Source, law enforcement, Holly Springs, impact, hail damage to vehicles adjacent to an interior room and the north door of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Quite unexpected.
for the following counties in Texas: Kent, Cass, Harrison, Marion, Morris, Titus, and Upshur.
You failed.
County in northeastern Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Alton, for 8 miles northeast of Longview, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and close hail. Source: radar indicated. Intact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Longview, Fillmore, Caulfield, New London, Medfield, Joinville, Harlton, Lakeport, Easton, Rolling Meadows, Monroe, Stewart, Chalk Hill, Oak Hill, and Judson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 miles per hour Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Gray, Harrison, Panola, and Rusk. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to siding and trees. Northeastern Texas, northern Rusk County in North. Counties in Texas: Gray, Harrison, Panola, and Rusk.
We have new severe thunderstorm warnings being issued now until 12:45 for portions of Ellis and Johnson counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WB. Programming is requested of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for northeastern Johnson County and northwestern Ellis County until 12:45. A large severe thunderstorm complex is located near Venus or Alvarado, moving east by southeast at about 15 miles per hour. These storms have been able to produce some 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts over the last hour. A lot of wind damage. Minor wind damage reported across Dallas-Fort Worth, and also over 100,000 customers of Encore Power, 118,000 now at the last check, without power because of the lightning and some of the very gusty winds. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnson County and northeastern Ellis County. We'll reverse that. Northeastern Johnson County and northwestern Ellis County until 12:45. These storms again capable of producing some very damaging winds. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.